purple, glitter. Can you even? I'm so excited to show you this amazing fall look. Let's go ahead and start with this amazing purple look for my eyes. So I'm going to start with my Dazzle eyeshadow, and I'm going to use my big blender brush and just put it all the way up from my eyebrow down to my lashes. You're going to see it just as kind of that a little bit muted, not super, super bright, because we're going to be playing with some glitter today. So I want the bottom layer to just be a nice, comfortable palette to be able to play with this glitter. Now I'm going to move on to Unicorn, and Unicorn has become my most favorite with this purple, the iridescent. It just picks up so many beautiful like colors. You've got the purple, you've got some blue, and I'm going to put this baby right in my crease and all over my lid. And that's just good. Look at that shine, that iridescence. Isn't that so fun? All right, I'm going to put a little bit more because I really want this look to pop. Something I've been asking Anne to get for us for a little while now, but we wanted to make sure it was the perfect one, was glitter. So I've got this glitter eyeshadow, which is going to be, oh, so fun. Now with glitter, you have to be kind of careful because it can go on so thick. So you just want to take a little tiny bit. Now you think with this little wand tip, you're going to want to use the whole tip to be able to put all over your eyelid, but really what you want to do is just a little dot, boop, boop, a little dot right in the middle, boop, boop. Okay, and then I'm going to use a blender brush, and this actually is going to make it so it's not crazy all over, but just that perfect amount of glitter to be able to make the statement that you want. And with this blender brush, I actually got it just for the purpose of using my glitter so that I don't have to clean it off every time. It is only for my glitter. Only glitter can touch this because, as we know, glitter can get everywhere, and we don't want it to get everywhere. Okay, so I've got that on now. Just let it dry. Get a couple angel wings flapping here with your hands to make it nice and dry. Okay, now that it's dry, let's use our purple eyeliner. Now I'm so excited for these felt tip liners because it makes doing your eyeliner so incredibly easy. See how that purple is, and it's got that nice fine tip so you can make an easy wing with it. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the tip and see how I can put it perfectly right here to make that little wing. All I'm going to do is just press. Press. See how easy that was? I'm going to come over here, press, and it gives you that perfect little wing. And then just fill it in. 3/4. Now go to the other side, 3/4. Have you ever seen an easier eyeliner? No. And it's so fun with that bright purple, the glitter, the purple, so fun. Now we've added a purple blush, which is going to be so exciting for us type 1s because with the purple, you need a purple blush. So I'm going to grab the blush, kind of blow it off because it's purple. I don't want it to be too big of a statement. And just going to put it right on into that hairline. Very good. See, just a little touch of that purple. Just a little kiss. Perfect. All right. Now that I'm doing that, as it is with makeup, you're going to see the spots that you kind of want to touch up a little bit. So I'm going to touch up this little wing just a little bit. And this one just a little bit. That's the beauty of makeup, is you can just keep going in, redoing, retouching up until it's the look you actually want. So that's a little thicker. That's a little bit brighter. So I'm excited about that. Okay, now to finish up this blush, I'm going to put a little dab of this glitter onto my hand. I'm going to take that same blender brush and I'm going to just tap right on top of that blush line. Kind of like a little fun highlight. So that glitter kind of just is sitting right on top of that blush. Super cute little pop of glitter. Got cotton candy lip liner. I'm going to line my lips with it. This is, okay, so I'm 35 years old right now, and I realized my lips are starting to bleed. like I can get the lips kind of going into the color kind of going into my lines on my lips. So I'm like, oh, I really need to start using lip liner now. So this helps keep all of that color, all of that lip gloss inside of your lips. And this beautiful new purple. I'm gonna wear it. Oh, it's so cute. Isn't that so fun? Spread it around. Check my lines. Oh, and I love how it makes your teeth look so white. Isn't that fun? So beautiful. And to finish off the look, let's put on our chocolate mascara. Now, this is one of my favorite mascaras that we have because it extends on so nicely onto your eyelashes. And the color is just kind of subtle enough. That's why we got rid of the black, is because it just was too much of a dark space in your eye. But this brown is just light, simple, beautiful, gives you those long lashes that you want, but not too much of a dark space added. A little bit to the bottom of the lashes. And there we go. Glitter look for days. You've got your purples, you've got your chocolate, and your glitter. I'm so excited for you to try this awesome fall look.